my channel. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Georgia. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, feel free and relax. Today's video, I'm so excited because I'm unboxing African food stocks. And you know, whenever I want to unbox African food stock from Nigeria, I am excited. And today I have a lot of African food stock. It's about 95 kg, so it's a lot. So you want to watch this video to the end, because in this video you're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn on how to get your goods or how to buy your food stocks from Nigeria, how to ship it from Nigeria to wherever country you live. If you live in the UK, US, Canada, Australia, he ships everywhere. How to get the shipment, your food stock, from the airport to your doorstep. To your doorstep. So all these details is going to be on this video. So you want to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to give you all the expo, on how to pass the exam, on how to do your African food stock shopping, on how to do your shopping from Africa or from Nigeria. So let's get going. Let's get started. So you can see it's a lot of African food stocks. Look at this goodness. 95 kg worth of African food stock. So it's a lot. So this video might be long, but it's a video you want to watch to the end, because each time I want to buy African food stock, I go to YouTube. I don't get people, they just unbox it. They don't give you a lot of details on how you can buy your food stocks, how you can ship it. So, but I'm ready to give you all those details so that you're not going to find it difficult when you want to ship your own African food stock. So I'm going to unbox it now. So it's 4 bags, 4 big bags, and they wrap it in this green sack like this. So what I'm going to do now is unwrap them on this green sack, because it's going to take a lot of time to do this. So let me do one first so that you guys will understand. Oh my god. Oops, it's a lot. So guys, I removed all the green bag that they use in wrapping all of them, because it will take a lot of time to show you guys. So this is all the bags. So it's back here. So this one here is the palm oils. This is what it looks like. It's palm oil. And with the palm oil, what they did, this is 25 liter of palm oil. So what they did was they crate it so that it will not break, and they nailed it to secure it. So with this nail now, I need a hammer to remove all the nails, because it has nails all over. It's palm oil, 25 liter of palm oil. So I'll take it off the camera and use a hammer and remove it. Open this one. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this. So excited to open this. So excited to open this. Hey! So this is what it looks like, see? When you open it. Oh! What's this? I don't know. Let me see. Oh my god, this is pepper soup spice. Definitely pepper soup spice. This is pepper soup spice, and in here there's a lot of spices that was grind together to make up this pepper soup spice. And this one is ogiri. Ay, Shinake, it's very strong. This is ogiri. Let me see if I can open it. It's ogiri, because I can smell it even without opening it. Yeah, it's ogiri. This is ogiri. Oh, it's so strong, guys. Oh, it's very strong. And this ogiri, I bought it for 1,002 or 1,002, yeah. And this is bitter leaf, dry bitter leaf, guys. So I want to come closer. So you see, this is what dry bitter leaf looks like. It's dry bitter leaf from Anambra. My mother-in-law do this for me. She washed, no, she asked somebody to do it, not her. So somebody else washed it and dried it, and see, this is better than the one they sell in the shop, you see. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. Moving straight. And this is, no, this one is Ogba. I don't know if you people know. Ugba is what they use in making nkwabi. If you want to make nkwabi, you use ugba. You want to make ncha for yam, you can use ugba for a lot of things. Some people use ugba to cook okra soup. There's this okra soup we cook in Oma here. We use ugba. So this is ugba. It's dry ugba. So this is what it looks like, dry ugba. So this is egusi, grinded egusi. I'll come closer and show you guys because I'm a bit far from the camera. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. I don't want to make a mess. So this is egusi. It's a grinded egusi seed that is grinded. Because with the guy told me that they are not allowed to carry egusi that is not grinded. So all the egusi I had to grind it, and I bought about 5 pints of egusi. And this is crayfish. Yeah. Oh my god. So this is crayfish. See, grinded crayfish. This is what crayfish looks like. And I grinded about, is it 4 pints? 4 pints of crayfish. So in here is crayfish, about 4 pints grinded. And also crayfish, they are not allowed to carry crayfish if crayfish is not grinded. So most of the things you have to grind it, which I don't know. And this will be Pepe, grinded Pepe. Jesus, let me take this off. It's grinded Pepe. Whoa, no, I cannot do this. Let me show you guys. If I open this one, I'll be sneezing. So this one is grinded pepper. I'm not going to open this. If I do open this, I'll be sneezing. Like it's hot chili grinded. I'll put a picture of pepper, like dry pepper that is grinded. So that's what is in here, and I'm not going to open it, guys. I don't want to be sneezing. So this is Uda. This is Uda. Let me move back. This is Uda. Uda seed. See? This is what Uda looks like. Uda is something you use in cooking pepper soup, nsala soup. Yeah, use it to cook most of the Nigerian delicacy, like Nigerian dishes. Mostly local soup or local pepper soup and all that. So it's very medicinal, this one. Very, very medicinal. And I think it's not only Uda here. There's a lot of things here. I think Uda with, let me see. And this is Uzuza seed. See? Do you see that? I don't know if you guys can see it. But I think it's spoiled. This one is spoiled. It looks spoiled. This is spoiled. This is spoiled. It's spoiled. It's not very dry when they packed it, so it's gone bad. Yeah, it's gone bad. It's gone bad. It's not good. It's spoiled. My Uzuza seed is spoiled, and it's a lot. See, it's a lot. That's one thing with this thing when they pack it. This is account. It's called account or potash. I think the English name is potash. So this is what it looks like. What I use this to do is that if you want to boil your cow foot or cow leg and you want it to, you know, get soft in time, you can use this. But mainly I use it to make nkwabi or abacha. You understand? To do the sauce for the nkwabi or abacha. It's called, I think the English name is called potash. I'm not very sure. I think so. And in here I have egusi. This is another egusi that my mother grinded this egusi for me. I don't think it's in a good condition. I'm not going to open it because it looks messy. Grinded egusi. And here I have my kwili. I have the kwili. You guys, I don't joke with kwili. For some of you who don't know, I was born in the north, Mina. As in, I love kwili so much. Kwili is made with peanuts. Like they fry the peanuts, blend it or pound it with a mortar, extract the oil, then make a dough. But they add other ingredients. It's secret ingredients that they add. They add other secret ingredients to make it kwili. After they mold it, they now fry it. It's a lot of process, so it's not something I can just do in the UK because I don't even have the. In short, it's not. I don't want to do it. It's a lot of stress. So I asked my mother to go to the woman who make kwili and buy some kwili because I don't like to buy kwili in the market. You don't know who did it, you don't know who made it, whether the person is clean or dirty. So when I want to buy kulikuli or when I want to eat kulikuli, I make sure I go to the right source and get it. That is from the manufacturer. So this is what kulikuli looks like, and this one is one that has sugar, because some kulikuli you can add sugar, while some you cannot add sugar. So this is kulikuli, guys. Kulikuli tastes yummy. With this you can drink with gari. You can even just have it on its own like a snack. So kulikuli. And it's two types of kulikuli. This one I said has sugar. Let me show you the one that doesn't have sugar. So this is another kulikuli. So this one is another kulikuli. It has two types of shape. This one is more of the long shape, like the other one has sugar, and this one doesn't have sugar. So this one has salt, other secret ingredients. Like, see guys, I can make kulikuli over. So this is two types of kulikuli. Sugar, no, this one has sugar and this one doesn't. So it tastes yummy. If you've not tried kulikuli before, anytime you go to Nigeria, ask for kulikuli. That is, if you get the person that knows how to do it really well, because it's not all of them that taste good. Some of them doesn't taste good. So, but this one is straight from the nut, like straight from the nut. Then I have Osoji alligator pepper. I purposely asked for this. I have a friend who loves this Osoji, so I'm going to give her some inside. I have about 10 here. So Osoji's alligator pepper. This is what it looks like. It's very, very hot, like very hot. It's so tiny when you open it. Let me show you guys. It's so, see, it looks like this. It has this tiny seed here, but this tiny seed, don't underrate it. It's so hot, like it's very, very hot. So that's that one. Let me see if I have any other thing here. Yeah, I've shown you guys already. So here I have palm oil. So let me see how I'm going to open the other palm oil, then I'll show you guys what the palm oil looks like, because the palm oil is straight from the east, that is east, real palm oil, not the one that's been added any color or something. It's the real palm oil. So guys, I remove the nails. So the one that is created is this, the palm oil, and I have to go off the camera to take off the nails. It's a lot of work. I have to use hammer with the help of my oga Yotago to take off the hammer, to take off the nail, sorry, because I couldn't do it. It was too hard for me. So this one is with the crate. It's well secured, like so secured. And this is one that we've opened. It's red oil straight from the village, Anambra village, Ekulobia, Yotago. So open it, and this is what it looks like. I will come there. Let me come and show you guys the red oil. So this is what red oil palm oil looks like. You see, this is red oil palm oil straight from Ekulobia. Oh my god, it's even making a mess. So it's called Onomano. Onomano is the best of the palm oil, like the best. Onomano is the, in English it's called the mouth of the oil, but I think the best way to explain it is the top of the palm oil. That's the best of it. So that's what it is. Very, very red, as in there's no color added to it, because if you're buying palm oil from Lagos or any other state, there's every chance that that oil has been added color. So I had to go to the right source, which is the village. So that's it for the unboxing. I'm going to show you the guy that I bought some of the food stock from, like the egusi and the crayfish and the pepper. When my friend went there to buy it, I asked my friend to make a video for me. So let's watch the video of the guy, because the guy was very honest. He allowed us to make a video. And so let me let you guys watch the video.
Oh yeah. What? I don't know. Hey. Mama Bumla.
So that's the guy I bought some of the food stocks from. That's the guy in Lagos in Auto Market. I bought the crayfish, the pepper. Yeah, and the guy was amazing. He was honest, and he allowed us to make the video. So I'm going to put his number on the screen so that if you want to patronize him, if you want to buy from him, you can ring him and make your order or go to his shop. Also, I'm going to put the number of the agent that I use from Lagos and the company name, which is Logistics something. So I'll put the name of the company on the stream and try him out. He's very good. Yesterday, he even called me to know if the goods has arrived. He has been calling me since then, which I really appreciate. And also, I'm going to put the number of the guy who delivered the goods from Manchester to this place. So I think if you're going to use that agent and you live in the UK, maybe you should just tell him that you want your goods to be shipped to Manchester, because he's only the guy in Manchester that delivered to door to door. I don't know about the people in London. Each time I use the people in London, you have to go there and pick it up, or you have to sort another delivery to bring it to you if you don't live in London. If you don't live in London, because I live in Nottingham, so if you live in London, I don't know, you might use the one in London, but I prefer to use the one in Manchester because he delivered to the door. Like, he brought my goods this morning as early as 7:30 in the morning. That's how good the guy is. So I really appreciate that. And again, I want to say a big thank you to Jude, who went to the market for me. He went to Auto Market for me. There is a lady who is supposed to go to market for me, but she couldn't make it, so I had to ask him. I didn't even have any appointment with him. I just called him and said, please, can you go to the market for me? He agreed to go. So thank you so much, Jude. I'm going to send this video to him so that he will watch it. Thank you so much. And also, I want to thank my mother-in-law, my mama, my sweet mama. Mama is the one that got somebody to wash the bitter leaf, bought me the pepper soup spice, the uza, the utazi, the palm oil. My sister-in-law as well. Thank you so much. And a big thank you to my mother, my sweet mama. My sweet mama is the one that got me the kuli kuli. Oh my God. And the egusi. He got me some egusi as well. Thank you so much. He bought me some fish, but I couldn't bring it. My mother bought me some fish, but I could not bring it because they don't carry fish. You are not allowed to carry fish, so I had to give the fish out. So thank you to my mother. Thank you to everybody who made this possible, because without all these people that I mentioned, I'm not going to have this African food store here. And also, I want to thank my friend Andrew. He's the main guy. He's the one that organized everything. Most of the things were kept in his house, so he arranged somebody to take it to the airport where they ship the goods, the Uber guy, and I keep calling him. So thank you so much to Andrew. Thank you so much to everybody who made this possible. I really appreciate it. I'm so grateful. You guys are amazing. Guys, you don't know what it is to live abroad. Some of these food stocks you see here, they are so expensive. So expensive. They are not cheap. So I'm so grateful that they went to market for me. And thank you to you that you're watching this video. Thank you for watching this video till this time. If you watch it this time, thank you so much. And if you've not subscribed to my channel and you're here watching me, please hit that subscribe button, support my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know, have you shipped African food stock from Nigeria before? What was your experience? Or are you going to do so with all the details I put on the screen? I'm telling you, call that guy. I've used him like 5 times. And thank you so much. Give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up. You can see my African attire. Because I was unboxing African food, I said, no, I have to wear my African attire. I have to represent my people. So I love you guys, and I will see you in another one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.